Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. It is a beautiful evening and I'm up at Monro Park. You guys can see behind me I finally got my hands on a landing pad, and I've got 2 batteries for this Fimi Mini now, so what a better evening to do a little range test across the harbor. I've got my strobe light on so I can legally go across. And I'm just going to wait a few more minutes, guys, as it's absolutely just not dark enough yet. Now, I can't let the sun absolutely set because it'll then be a nighttime flight. So I'm thinking maybe 5 more minutes and we should be ready to go here. We'll get across and back before that sun gets down. So I will wait a few minutes and I will catch you guys back then. Okay guys, it should be dark enough here now, so I just replaced my battery. And the thing I didn't tell you guys about this pad, it has a luminescent LED strip that goes around it, which takes 2 AA batteries, and I'll power that on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. As it gets a little darker, it should be more luminescent. Okay. A quick little flight and took a few pictures of the sky over that side. Turn on my strobe light. Okay, it doesn't. I lost my red. My strobing red color has stopped working on it for some reason. Okay, so we are booted up. We'll put the video, go into the camera. Quality on high, it's 4K 30. I'm going to leave my speed setting up to 16 meters a second, so you may see a bit of a gimbal drop. It doesn't do it all the time, but it does happen now and again. So we have GPS, we're ready to go. Start recording and take off. Now I'm going to give this a second because it likes to do a slight little toilet bowl off a takeoff. May not, because I just had it up in the air. Now there we go. Slight toilet bowl, so I'll leave it sit there for a second, guys, and let it come out of that, because it will come out of it. And there we go. So we're 98% battery. We'll put our camera down a little bit and up and out. Now heading across, and I'm not going to go too high. If I go too high, I'll probably lose sight of it. I have that strobe light on the back of the drone instead of on top this time. I am 270 meters out, 300, and clear sight of that light. $450, still really bright. I'm going to gain a bit of altitude. I am 75 meters, I think that's as high as I'll go. I may climb a bit more as I get closer. Almost 800 meters, there we go. I can still see the light. I'm going to climb a bit more. Yeah, I've still got really clear line of sight of that. Mosquitoes are just swarming around me, guys. I am now 1,000 190 meters, and I can still see that light. I'm across. That's it. 1,300 meters, guys. Pick yourself up a strobe light because they are absolutely amazing in this type of light. If you have them on in broad daylight, you can't see it. I'll guarantee you won't see it. You need to have this type of light. I'm down to 85% battery. Strong signal, guys. No breakup. No video feed breakup at all. I'm circling the lighthouse over there. I can still see that light. We'll circle this lighthouse and we will head our way back. So there's a view of the lighthouse. I just had my first little video blip, but I'm thinking it's because I had the controller tipped down a little, guys. Mosquitoes are eating me, munching on me. So, success. I made it over a kilometer and no breakup. I had a slight little blip. Drone is heading back now. It's about 1,400 meters to the other side. So 1.4 kilometer. Now if this was any brighter in the day, I wouldn't be able to see that. But I've got clear line of sight of it right here, guys. And anybody that doesn't believe me, you can get yourself a strobe light and stick it on and try it at this time of day, and you will actually see it. It works wonders. It glows really bright. So I'm on my way back, and look at that sky, guys. It's purple and pink. It was really, really hot today, but a slight breeze. And I'm heading straight towards me. So the other thing I wanted to do here with you guys is hit the return to home and let the drone pick out the landing pad, find it itself and land on it. Because I know when Marcus Crawford tried that, his drone wouldn't find it. But I'm really thinking it was because he was too close to that home. And I'm going to hit return to home here, and I'm going to let it do it, guys. Yeah, I think he was just too close to the house, and when his drone started coming down, it started coming down around the roof of the house. The thing I found with this is you have to trust that drone and let it come down far enough, because it won't pick that landing pad up until it probably hits 15-20 feet above. It will keep saying landing pad not detected until it gets close enough. Then it will say landing pad detected. Now I'm right above me. Got a mosquito in my eye. So drone is coming down, and I'm gonna try and show you guys. Right now it is saying landing pad not detected. Can you see it on the bottom of the screen, guys? That white writing in the blue. So when it changes, I will show you guys again. I am just going to cycle my camera down a little bit towards the landing pad just in case, because that's what I've been doing all along. Still saying landing pad not detected. There, landing pad detected. Can you guys make that out? So, just watch this, guys. Not touching anything. You guys can see my transmitter. I am not touching anything. That drone is slowly coming down. Still recording. You can see that strobe light flashing. And she's finding that landing pad. Okay, so it hit the center, but then it slid over as it touched the center. But it done it. I must say, Fimi done a pretty darn good job on this drone, other than the firmware. It is a damn good drone, guys. I recommend it. I would say buy it. Just give Fimi a little more time to sort their firmware out. They will sort it out, because my X8 SE 2020 now flies flawless. No toilet bowling. No gimbal issues. The drone absolutely works amazing, and I'm guaranteeing that this one will be the same in a little bit more time. So just hang tight. Give Fimi a chance, guys. They are a good company. They make really good products. And I'm saying, I've said it all along, they are a good competitor for DJI. So give me 1 second here, guys. I'm just going to wrap this up. Get my gimbal guard. Uh-oh. Okay, it shuts off automatically. I forgot about that. I was just like, uh-oh, did I not push stop on record? Because if it didn't record, I'm going to have to do this again tomorrow night. But it should have stopped recording as soon as the drone landed. So that being said, guys, if you're new and you find anything of value here, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Whoa. There we go. Leave a comment, make sure your notifications are on, and until the next one, guys, catch you later. Peace.